In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add two pictures side by side in Word. If you've ever tried placing two images neatly next to each other in Microsoft Word, you've probably noticed that they can shift around or refuse to line up properly. A simple way to keep everything organized is to use a table as a temporary guide, then adjust the pictures so they behave like a single object. I'll walk you through the whole process clearly so it's easy to follow. Start by going to the Insert tab at the top of Word. From there, click Table and choose a 2x1 table. This means you want a table that has two columns and one row, so it looks like two boxes sitting side by side. This table gives you a clean structure for placing one picture in each space. Next, click inside the first cell. Go back to Insert, choose Pictures, and insert your first image. Then click inside the second cell and repeat the same process to insert your second image. At this point, each picture should be sitting in its own cell, which makes them much easier to align. Now adjust the size of each image so they look balanced. You can do this by clicking an image and dragging the corner handles inward or outward. Using the corners helps keep the image proportions looking correct. If you want more precise control, go to the Picture Format tab and manually enter the height and width so both images match more closely. Once the pictures are sized the way you want, it's time to hide the table itself. Select the entire table by clicking the small crosshair icon in the top left corner of the table. Right-click and choose Table Properties. In that window, click Borders and Shading, and under Settings on the left, choose None. This removes the visible lines so the table still helps with layout, but it won't show in the final result. After that, right-click each image one at a time, go to Wrap Text, and choose In Front of Text. Do this for both pictures. This setting gives you more freedom to move and manage the images. Now select the first image, then hold down the Shift key and click the second image so both are selected together. Right-click either image, go to Group, and group them. Once grouped, the two pictures act like one object. Now you can resize them together and move them freely anywhere in your document while keeping them perfectly side by side. This is a great method when you want a cleaner layout and more control over your images in Word.